Welcome back to the Tomarosa. We have had a very busy summer and we have lots of videos for you. We just need to get them edited and out to you. Right now we're going to talk a little bit about what's going on our farm, and especially dealing with the wildfire smoke. So this is our current rating. As you can tell, we are in the red zone. We're almost pegged out and it's pretty bad out there. Alrighty, here we are. I've got on my N95 mask. We had masks from doing all of our construction. Unfortunately, our little doggy and all the animals don't have masks. So let's head outside and see what it looks like. Here we go, Carly, come on. There's our new truck. Here's our farm. I was gonna say as you can see, but as you cannot see, we are just shrouded completely all the way with smoke. Normally, when you look across here, you would be able to see mountains, and we can't see that. And I actually can't even see across the field and see my neighbors or Blue Creek Road. Let's go see how the cows are doing and Stacy's doing with evening chores. Oh, as you can tell, I started painting the barn. Have a ways to go, but it looks a lot better. These areas here we'll paint in white. Say hello, Comet. We're in the barn now. Not a lot of protection inside the barn from the smoke, but the cows have mostly been hanging out up here. We are separating the calves overnight now and also before evening milking. Here is Rainy. Hello, Rainy. He's a good boy. And there is Dodie. Dodie! She's not impressed. Comet is waiting for Carnation to come out of the milking parlor. Huh, Comet? Huh, Comet? Both of our bull calves, Comet and Rainy, were dehorned and castrated. Let's see how things are going in the milking parlor. There's Stacy.
Hi.
There's Carnation. How are we doing?
We're doing good. She's still giving good milk, even though we have adverse conditions.
Just looking outside, it's just so dark. Are you ready to let her out?
Yeah, she's done.
Okay, Carnation's done, so we're gonna let her out and now it's time for Rose to go into the milking parlor. Come on, Rose. Hello, Buttercup. Rose is like, I know where I'm supposed to go. So it's been very smoky couple of days. I think it's supposed to be this way for another day or two. Okay, it's late summer here, and regardless of the smoke, you can see we are completely pretty much done with grazing. We have cool season forages here and they're pretty much done. We are going to get one more cutting out of our alfalfa field. It looks like there's deer out there enjoying that right now. And then otherwise, we're just quickly moving them right now through this field to get the last bit of green before we start putting them over into like winter paddocks with hay feeding. So this summer has been hard for us just because there's been lots of new stuff and trying to figure out things. We love all the support that we've gotten from everybody, and we look forward to sharing more videos and getting more feedback. So stay tuned, and we'll talk at you next time.